7 Things to do as a couple. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about 7 great activities and experiences you can enjoy with your partner to strengthen your relationship. Whether you're in a new relationship or have been together for years, these ideas can help you connect, have fun, and create lasting memories. Let's get started. Point 1. Plan a couple's getaway. One of the best things you can do as a couple is to plan a short weekend trip or a longer vacation, just the two of you. This gives you the opportunity to step away from the distractions of everyday life, focus on each other, and create new shared experiences. You could visit a new city, explore a nature destination, or simply find a cozy cabin in the woods. The important thing is to carve out that dedicated time to reconnect and recharge together. Point 2. Try a new activity together. Trying a new activity or hobby as a couple can be a really fun way to bond and learn something new side by side. It could be taking a cooking class, going rock climbing, signing up for a dance lesson, or even picking up a new sport. Not only does this give you a shared challenge to overcome, but it also allows you to see each other in a different light and develop a new appreciation for your partner's skills and interests. Point 3. Have a tech-free date night. In our digital world, it's so important to unplug and be fully present with each other. Set aside a regular date night where you put away your phones, turn off the TV, and truly connect. You could cook a nice meal together, play a board game, or simply talk and enjoy each other's company without any distractions. This helps you stay engaged and build an emotional intimacy. Point 4. Volunteer together. Giving back to your community as a couple is an incredibly rewarding experience. Whether it's volunteering at a local shelter, cleaning up a park, or participating in a charity event, working towards a common good can bring you closer together. Not only does it make a positive impact, but it also allows you to share a sense of purpose and see your partner in a compassionate light. Point 5. Plan a fun, creative date. Get out of your regular date night routine and plan something unique and creative. It could be a themed picnic, an escape room adventure, or even a DIY project you work on together. The key is to do something that sparks your imagination and allows you to be playful and spontaneous with each other. Point 6. Practice regular check-ins. Strong relationships require honest and open communication. Set aside time for regular check-ins, where you can discuss how you're both feeling, any concerns or challenges you're facing, and ways to support each other. This creates a safe space for you to be vulnerable and strengthen your emotional bond. Point 7. Celebrate milestones and achievements. No matter how big or small, make sure to celebrate the important milestones and achievements in your relationship. This could be an anniversary, a work promotion, or even just completing a long-term goal together. Taking the time to acknowledge and appreciate these moments will help you feel more appreciated and connected as a couple. Well, there you have it, 7 fantastic ideas to try as a couple. Remember, the key is to keep exploring, trying new things, and making time for each other. Every relationship is unique, so find what works best for you and your partner. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel and we'll see you next time.